Looking for a hassle-free way to keep your bathroom looking pristine? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of low-maintenance shower walls, uncovering options that promise to slash your cleaning time and keep your bathroom shining for years to come. The least maintenance shower walls are made from materials like fiberglass, acrylic, and solid surfaces due to their seamless design, resistance to mold and mildew, and ease of cleaning. Tile can also be included if using epoxy grout. These options offer durability and aesthetic flexibility with minimal upkeep required. With a keen eye on durability, cost-effectiveness, and style, let's explore what are the least maintenance shower walls. In the quest for a cleaner, more manageable bathroom, certain materials stand out for their ease of maintenance. Fiberglass, acrylic, and solid surface materials emerge as frontrunners, each offering unique benefits. These materials not only resist mold and mildew, but also boast a seamless design that minimizes grout lines, the usual culprits in shower cleaning nightmares. Low-maintenance shower walls have become increasingly popular in modern home design due to their practical benefits and aesthetic versatility. Here's a closer look at the benefits of opting for low-maintenance shower walls in your bathroom. One of the most significant benefits of low-maintenance shower walls is their ease of cleaning. Materials like acrylic and solid surface are non-porous, meaning they don't absorb moisture, which is a leading cause of mold and mildew growth in bathrooms. Low-maintenance materials are not only easy to clean, but also incredibly durable. They are designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, resisting scratches, stains, and impacts that could mar their surface. Modern low-maintenance shower walls come in a wide array of finishes, colors, and patterns. This range allows homeowners to choose options that perfectly complement their bathroom's design theme. Bathrooms are high-moisture environments, which can lead to problems with mold, mildew, and water damage. Low-maintenance shower walls are typically highly resistant to moisture, helping to protect your bathroom from these issues. While the initial investment in low-maintenance shower walls might be higher than traditional options, their durability and ease of maintenance can lead to cost savings over time. Many low-maintenance shower wall options are designed for easy installation, which can be a significant benefit during bathroom construction or renovation. Low-maintenance shower walls are a boon for homeowners seeking both style and simplicity in their bathroom maintenance routines. Fiberglass is a lightweight, cost-effective option made from a plastic matrix reinforced with fine fibers of glass. It's a popular choice for its ease of installation and maintenance. Acrylic shower walls are known for their durability and high-gloss finish, which can mimic the look of more expensive materials without the same level of upkeep. Solid surface materials, such as corian and swanstone, offer a premium look with minimal maintenance. These composites of acrylic or polyester resins and natural minerals can be molded into almost any shape and size. While tiles require grout, which can be a maintenance concern, choosing large format ceramic or porcelain tiles can minimize grout lines. Cultured marble is a blend of marble dust and polyester resin, which is then cast into shower walls and panels. It offers the elegant look of natural stone without the high maintenance. Natural stone slabs, such as granite, marble, and quartzite, can be used for shower walls for a luxurious, high-end look. Glass tiles offer a modern, sleek look and are available in a wide range of colors and finishes. They're naturally resistant to mold, mildew, and bacteria. Choosing the right shower walls can make or break your bathroom maintenance routine. With the information provided, you're well on your way to finding the perfect, low-maintenance solution for your home.